Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet 460 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1967 Chevelle. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain, new timing cover, new balancer, proper water pump for the 67 Chevelle, aluminum cylinder heads, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Customer wanted the GM blue. We did the painted the GM blue with the brass freeze plugs, proper oil pan for the 67 Chevelle, Taylor ignition wires, American made, all the wire markers all set in place. Real nice Chevrolet chrome valve covers with the matching air cleaner with the washable air filter, chrome thermostat housing, thermostats installed, quick fuel carburetor, MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor, real important on the 67 Chevelle for firewall clearance. It's installed. Proper standard flywheel, 67 Chevelle, tooth count and balance for the 383 Chevy. Pilot bushings installed. High torque starter, chrome dipstick and tube, PCV ventilation line on there. Manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookup. All the heavy duty Russell fuel line, gas filter, high flow fuel pump installed. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand. Manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature. Timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, drop in, ready to go. So here you have it. Again, our 383 Chevrolet 460 horsepower turnkey package engine, ready to go. Thanks for watching.